Alright, y'all, I got an unexpected surprise today. I'm filming. I got an unexpected surprise today, y'all. This thing right here.
TshirtChick.
Right here. So what y'all think it is? What y'all think it is? Let me see. All right. Yeah, so that's what it is right there. Hopefully we can get it up in this place right here, and I can let y'all check out what it is. Look at what I got. I'm gonna have to wait till I get back to open this thing up. So I don't know if y'all know what it is. I don't know if y'all can tell what it is or what. I don't know. Yeah, so it's not super heavy, it's not bad. But that's what we got right there. So I'm getting ready. I ain't gonna be able to open it right now. I'm not gonna be able to open it right now. Y'all gonna have to wait a little bit, and I can open it for y'all. But yeah, that's what I got. That's what I got right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, jump off of here, and this is a little quick video. Hopefully I got enough footage. I don't know, y'all. I think I'm rusty with the recording or something. I don't know. But yeah, that's what your girl got right here. Right here. That's what she got right there. Look like everything came in good. Everything's in good condition. So I'm gonna have to go. Y'all. It's 12:44. I'm supposed to be leaving at 1, but that's not gonna happen. But I'm gonna go. But I appreciate y'all watching. If y'all want to see what this is, y'all gonna have to wait till the next video. But I'll see you when I get back. Prince Swat out.